Alright.
What?
Just want to get a good shot of this house.
You need a good shot of me.
You're cute. So this is the next house. Well, sort of third house. We went to a house in between here, but it had already been sold.
House. Ta-da.
Good job, Bebo.
Thank you.
They were waiting for that.
I know. I know. See, this is a good sunbathing, sunbasking spot right here for a lizard like me.
Nice.
Yeah. Notice a violation in the backyard. Not my house. So I ain't gonna worry about it.
Alright, we will see y'all in just a sec. We are in.
Watch your step. I don't want anybody falling down the stairs.
Yeah, that is right up. Okay.
We are here.
And it's a cool entryway, I guess. I don't like that the stairs are right there off the floor. You had it on for a sec. There we go.
Thanks.
We were having trouble there with the light. Well, she was having trouble with the lights. So, big front like, dude. Oh my gosh. Take this.
There we go. I got it. You know what? No, you go figure out the lights. I will stand
Lights
here
aren't that hard.
and be and be not in the way. Because apparently, what does this one do? Okay. I did something.
Good job. So I like how open it is. So like you walk in here in the living room, in the front living room.
Ooh, look at this room back here. Look, this like sunroom.
The living room slash like open. It's just an open area.
And like, look at. Okay, from the inside, it's a nice house.
The outside isn't that nice, but the inside is.
I mean, I don't know what to do with the outside. We can talk about what to do with the outside in a second. But this is a nice.
I like this kitchen.
It is a nice kitchen.
I mean, I'm
Kitchen.
for a center,
God damn.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. What?
There's like a whole room back here.
Oh, welcome. Well, how kind. Step.
Oh yeah, it's a whole bedroom. Is this the master?
We seem to have stumbled on to.
We got water, okay, so this is the laundry room. This is where the laundry was.
Okay.
But also
Pretty
it's a closet.
deep in there.
I mean, it looks like there was a headboard mounted on that wall.
Okay, why would you ever need to have this many holes in the wall?
I don't know.
Like, especially, look at this. I assume the TV was here, but
Yeah,
why?
That's what I assume, I don't know. And then you got, oh my gosh, bed.
A wet room, essentially. This looks very manly in here. Ooh, what'd you do? Do it again. Hey, whoa. Look at him. My fiance people.
Leave the
We're getting
bed.
married. What?
They're electronic mirrors.
What does that mean?
I mean, they're supposed to be able to do stuff.
Eh.
Looks like maybe they had air.
Ah.
That's nice.
Ooh. Look at the toilet.
2 shower heads.
Is this the kind of bathroom you want, babe?
Yes, it is.
Should we just have a wet, like, room for a shower?
This is the kind of bathroom I want. This is the kind of bathroom I want. Take notes. Everybody in comments, remember this.
What? How does this work? I'm confused.
Oh my gosh.
What? You know I'm slow?
There we go. Well done. It's a little hot in here though.
That's so weird though, to just be like showering and
On
just
pebbled floor.
okay, and just open. Like it's just a room. There isn't a shower curtain. You just stand and shower. Is this how rich people shower? Is that
Yes.
how showering works?
That's how rich people shower. Okay, so as a master bedroom, I really like this room.
Okay, to me, it feels very like gay man couple.
Okay.
How the heck?
Oh my gosh, stop clicking them.
I figured it out. I don't know, okay, it just feels very masculine to me.
I guess. And then
I
there's a
guess
little,
to-
that's out to the
Garage or the side.
side.
Driveway.
I'm not sure there is a garage.
I feel like this would have been the garage.
This,
honestly.
yeah, I feel like this would have been, so I don't think there is one.
This is a nice kitchen though.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this range.
Yeah.
This is brand spanking new.
I like the fireplace. There's a little sunroom out here.
It's a nice sunroom too. You want to step out in it?
Nope, it's hot outside.
Oh, okay.
You can go out there and I'll film you from here, or you can take the camera with you and you can
Oh,
film.
it is hot in here, so you're good, babe. Don't come out here. It's a nice sunroom though. I'm here for the sunroom. But yeah, it's hot. It is spicy out here is what.
Yeah, I can feel the heat wafting off of it. I was like, we are going to avoid that because I don't want to sweat immediately.
Oh, baby bumpers. So they have a little churn.
Yeah.
Okay, what's over here? Dark hallway. Cool. Cool. Bathroom. Oh, great bathroom. Nice bathroom though. Ugh, that's kind of gross. Don't look in there.
It's just old.
Yeah, but it's nice. I mean, shoot. A little dispenser, just a little hand washing station.
Yeah, it does. Bedroom. It's a nice size. Not a bad bedroom.
I like the wood in here.
Yeah.
And then these two are just as nice.
This bedroom's standard.
Oh, there's another bathroom in here. This is my room. I call it.
Eldest child room.
I call it. It's my room. I get my own back room. It's a double babe, there's 3 nozzles for the shower in here. Call it.
So rich people live here.
Goodness. They had a puppy.
All right, which means it's all that's left is the immediate stairwell into the basement. Which again is just, it's weird coming directly off the door.
I mean, yeah, we would just need to put like some sort. I mean, I don't know. I guess if you're an adult and like old enough, you're okay.
Yeah.
It's cold down here.
But at least
Oh.
it's not hot then.
Wow.
Just a big
It's
long
basically
room.
a whole nother floor down here, though.
Yeah,
Because here's another bathroom.
the bathroom.
Tight, just a bathroom.
Yeah, they didn't put a lot of effort in this one. They were like, it's just the
What else
downstairs.
do in the bathroom, in the downstairs? One,
Another bedroom.
yeah. If I
And
recall
another
this
bedroom.
correctly, the website says this is 6 bedrooms.
Mm.
A lot of people in this house.
Yeah. Although you probably use a lot of these ones down here as like offices and stuff, I feel
Yeah,
like.
it could easily be 2 more bedrooms.
This could just sort of be like a game room, party entertainment room. You could get a bar installed over there, a
I
nice
feel like
pool
this is-
table
this
over
is a-
there.
This is a pretty good foster home, I feel like.
Mm,
Like if you were fostering a lot of kids
Yeah.
down here, you could have
that's
like,
fair.
older kids or whatever.
Just basement area where you got all the HVAC and stuff.
Okay, not gonna lie, before my eyes adjusted, I just opened a door into nothing. I was like, what am I looking at? It's dark.
Goodness.
What's happening? Oh yeah. I like the inside of this house.
Mhm.
We just need to go outside and figure.
This is another house that whoever like purchased this did a good job renovating
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, I'm not mad at all. Dude, like this like view from just right here in this house. Yeah, it did. It did good. Okay, so what they did in this kitchen is what I wanted in the other one. Like play the wood beams
Mm-hmm.
and like the kind of darker floor almost. But like I feel like it all ties in together really well.
Yeah.
And it is open.
Yeah.
I like this.
I like this house too.
Yeah. Come here, Bella. They need to see your beautiful face.
Thanks.
You're gorgeous.
You're gross.
You call me gross? You're so rude. Wow, I've been hyping you up this whole video. You know what? You know what? It's literally.
Wow.
Stop! You're messing up the camera. Good.
Opinions. stuff you would change, stuff you love.
What are your opinions, Garrett?
I like it. I like it. That's gross. They don't want to see that. I like it. I like all the renos. I mean, I wouldn't change that much. I mean, there are a few things here or there I'd fix up or change, but for the most part, I like it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. I mean, yeah, there really isn't much to say, guys.
This is like the last one. This neighborhood, babe.
This neighborhood's a nice neighborhood. Like, if I had to stay in Georgia, babe, it really would be in Kennesaw. It really would be. I love it here.
I love considering how hot it is. Not staying in Georgia, it is too hot.
That's true. It's pretty hot in Georgia.
Yeah.
I'm not the biggest fan of Georgia heats and Georgia summers. Nah.
Alright, so what do y'all think of this house? Like, love?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, you got anything to say? Yeah.
Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys at the next house.
Cute.
Thank you.
See y'all later.